Lamborghini North Los Angeles proudly presents this 2018 Lamborghini Huracan LP580-2 Spyder. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 580 horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with rear-wheel drive. This car is finished in a gorgeous Rosso Mars exterior color and Nero Ade leather interior with Red Q-Citura contrast stitching. This Huracan comes well optioned, including sport exhaust, travel and smoker package, big forged composites interior, 20-inch GIANO rims and high gloss black, contrast stitching, TECHNO pack, UNICOLor full leather interior, roof lining and pillars and ALCANTARA, garage door opener, branding package, and much more.